In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a title to our dashboard in Smartsheet. A clear, well-formatted title sets the tone for your entire dashboard. It helps viewers instantly understand what they're looking at and makes your layout feel polished and professional. Let's walk through how to add one and tweak it so it looks just right. Start by opening your dashboard. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a vertical sidebar. Look for the plus sign on that sidebar. This is your entry point for adding new elements to the dashboard. Click the plus sign, and from the menu that appears, choose Title. As soon as you select it, Smartsheet will add a new title field to your dashboard canvas. Click directly on the new title field to activate it. When you do, you'll notice a text formatting toolbar appear. This toolbar gives you control over the look and feel of your title, including the font, size, color, and more. Spend a moment here to set the visual style before you type. Choosing a readable font, a size that stands out but doesn't overwhelm, and a color with strong contrast against your background will make your title easier to read at a glance. If alignment options are available, consider centering the text for a classic, balanced look, or align it left to match the style of your other widgets. If your organization uses brand colors, this is a great place to apply them. Subtle use of brand color in the title can create a cohesive, recognizable theme without distracting from the data. Keep the wording short and descriptive, something like Quarterly Sales Dashboard or Project Portfolio Overview. Clear, concise phrasing makes your dashboard feel more focused and helps users find what they need quickly. Once your formatting is set, click into the title field and start typing your title. You'll see your changes update immediately, so you can adjust the font size or color as needed to maintain good visual balance. If you're unsure about sizing, err on the side of slightly larger text so it remains legible on different screens or when the dashboard is embedded elsewhere. Smartsheet typically saves changes as you go, so you don't need to worry about losing your work. That's all there is to it. By using the plus sign on the right sidebar, selecting title, formatting with the toolbar, and then entering your text, you'll give your Smartsheet dashboard a clear, polished identity that guides viewers from the very first glance.